Thomas,
What?
what happened?
My life?
What? No, I meant James being up in the air.
Oh yeah, that? I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You're right here.
Well, I woke up, then went outside, and I saw him floating.
Okay, that was useless. We should get the breakdown crane to get him down.
Oh yeah, we don't have it.
What? How?
I destroyed it.
Just why?
I felt like it.
Okay then, how else do we get him down?
He'll come down on his own.
Thomas, that's not how that works.
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Thomas, you're an idiot.
Oh, shut up. See, I told you. Oh shit, he's dead.